He does not want any green eggs. Hello.
Hey, you got that American government homework?
What American government homework?
You know, the one that's like due tomorrow or something?
Oh yeah, I've got it right here.
Sweet. You think you can like email it or fax it or something?
Don't, Bradley, don't worry about it. I've got it. I'll send it to you right now.
Well, how else are you gonna get it to me?
Just go in your kitchen and open your microwave door.
Why would I check
Bradley,
the
just do
microwave?
it. Come on. Do it for me. Please. Hello?
Yeah, I think I left my camera at your house.
Are you sure? I don't think you did.
You sure? Because I'm pretty sure that I did.
Well, let me look for it. Oh, here it is.
Sweet. I'll just come over and grab it.
Oh, silly. Don't worry about it.
Well, don't put that shit in the microwave again, because that was fucking creepy.
Just check your microwave. Please.
Son of a bitch, I told him not to fuck.
Sorry. Oh, and you can have the rest of my Coke.
I don't want your fucking Coke. Why do I have your phone?
Why do I have your phone?
My refried beans. Wow. Fuck that stupid piece of shit. Don't want your fucking Hello?
You thirsty, Bradley?
Oh, sweet, thanks. Yeah. Vinegar! Finally, I'm going to kill him. Wah ha 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 ha.
What's this? Bradley's so nice. Oh, this just hits the spot.
Little did young Mac Gallagher know this drink would be his last.